Introducing Schifler Magnetic Driller Machine SWC 120WT. Powerful 2500 watt motor. Twist drilling up to 45 millimeters. Morse tape 4 arbor. Please read operating manual for installation, safety, and other precautions before operating the machine. Drilling with twist drills. Core drilling up to diameter 120 millimeters in length up to 100 millimeters. Adjust speed with the help of gear knobs. For speed charts, please read operating manual. Tapping up to 38 millimeters. Install tap using suitable tapping adapter as shown. Drill appropriate hole required for tapping using twist drill or core drills. Adjust speed with the help of gear knobs. For speed charts, please read operating manual. Switch on the magnet. Adjust speed with the help of electro speed controller. Shift tapping button to the right. With one rotation, tap will automatically cut the thread. Tapping is only recommended for through holes. Once the tapping is done, shift tapping button. Spindle of the machine will automatically reverse to its starting position. In order to avoid slide falling down, when not in operation, use stud lever as shown to activate, and to deactivate, vice versa.